Hello guys, for this video I want to show how amazing to have greenhouse. Ayan, so ito na ang yung climbing spot ng ating ampalaya or lupa. Ano man kung kahit ano sa dalawa na unang tutubo or lalaki, dito ko siya akyatin. And then inside greenhouse, our temperature is 29. Outside, we are in 9 degree. Pero ang ganda dito sa loob namin, ang init. And look, yung mga seedlings ko. These ones, they are planted yesterday. Cauliflower also popping out. Look, this one. Let's see here. Oh, double. Nakalimutan ko itong i-close kahapon. Look, another okra. And look at our green beans. True leaf are now showing. Oh my God, dito ako kinakabahan, masyadong maaga. Ang bilis niyang tumubo. Early spring pa dito sa amin at malamig pa sa gabi. Let's check. Wow. See? Yung roots niya, yan, malapit na siyang lumabas. So, ito, green beans are usually planted directly on the ground. But then, since plant natin ito na maaga, bago ma-develop yung roots niya, kailangan na natin i-repot into a bigger pot. And then, another one is coming. Maybe tomorrow will show up. And I assume also on this one, because it already have this bump on the soil. So, ayan. So, that's all for today. Pinakita ko lang how amazing to have greenhouse. Ang bilis lumaki ng mga seedling. Kita nyo? Hindi ko rin alam kung ano tong whites. Ito. These ones, I don't know what are they. Yesterday, these ones are not here yet. So maybe it's some kind of